Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Same to you. We are just waiting for 2 more minutes so that all the students can join. Then we'll start.
Anushka, switch on your video so that they can see you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Classes 6A, the image that you are seeing is she is Kanishka and she is going to be your English teacher for today along with
Hi, hello class.
Hello, everyone.
the next you are seeing is Simran and she is also your English teacher for today. So both of them are acting as your Agansha ma'am and let's see how they perform. Fine. We'll wait till 9:06 and then you both of you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please allow us to for screen sharing?
Yeah. Can you share it or I have to change the settings? Wait, let me see. You can share the screen, I guess now. Check. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So, good morning again, class 6th. How are you all?
We are fine. Thank you for asking.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so myself Simran Bhatt.
And myself, Kanashka Gupta.
and we are here from class 12 Commerce on the occasion of Teachers' Day. And
So
we are
today,
representing Miss Akansha ma'am
Akansha
today.
ma'am.
And we will be teaching you a chapter from your English textbook today. And the chapter will be, the poem will be The Happy Endings by Sylvia Spencer. Okay, so let's begin.
So happy endings is the name is the title of the poem. We can see that there is a word endings in the poem, like endings. It's a simple poem about endings, but are the endings always happy? Can anyone answer?
No.
Are the endings generally always happy?
No.
We will get the answer by reading this poem. It's a simple poem of encouragement and motivation. Do you all know what's a rhyme scheme?
Yes, ma'am.
So rhyme scheme generally mean that we can observe rhyming words at the end of lines in certain poems. But in this poem, there is no definite rhyme scheme, but a general rhythm to the poem is there. So we'll begin with the explanation of the poem. Who would like to read the first stanza? Anyone? Volunteer yourself for reading.
Ma'am, can I? Sorry,
Yes, you
can I?
can.
Is there a happy ending? Is there a happy ending to every song and the story? Some are happy, other are weak, and then there are those that finish in glory. Is there a
Stop.
happy ending?
Stop. So first we'll begin with first stanza. We can see in the first line, is there always a happy ending to every song and a story? We can see a word is over there. That means the poet is asking us a question. Is there always a happy ending to every song and story? She begins with a simple question. That is it so that all the endings have a happy, all the stories have a happy ending? Then she answers her question on her own. In the third line, some are happy and others weep, and there are those that finish in glory. She's answering that some endings are happy and others weep. Weep, you understand? Crying and sad. Some endings are happy and others weep, and there are those that finish in glory, and some are those that finish in glory. Glory, you all know, joy and happiness. So we are having all type of endings, some happy, some sad, some joyful, some full of happiness. Next stanza.
Who will
Can
read the
I?
next
Ma'am,
stanza?
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, yes, you
Can
can.
Yes,
I?
you can.
Please start reading.
Is there a happy ending to every day? Maybe not when you are filled with grief and it's not stopped raining and the sky is grey.
Okay. So in the second stanza, she's saying, is there happy ending to every day? She's again asking us a question that does every day end with a happiness and ends on a happy note? Then she goes on and answers her questions and says maybe not, which means that is it is not necessary that every day ends happily. She says that there may be days which are filled with sorrow and which are filled with sadness, and it's heavy and it rains and you can feel gloomy, you can feel sad, and you can feel cheerless, and you can miss those days, and you can miss those days which in which you are happy, and you can miss the sunshine of the clear sky. So it is not necessary that it has to be a happy ending to every day. Okay, so no, who will read the next answer?
Can I?
Yes, you can.
Happy endings are made by you. It's how you work and go about it can make that ending come true. Just be yourself, however small, and smile when things get out of tune. A happy ending can be found, then the life becomes just a one honeymoon.
Okay, so in the third stanza, the speaker says that happy endings are made by you. What does she mean to say by this? She is saying that no one else will tell you, or no one else will make a happy day for you. You yourself can make your day happy. You yourself can make your day cheerful. It is depend on on you only that how the ending of your day would be. She believes that each person is to make their own happy ending. How a person works or how a person takes out their day is that is what determines their happiness, not someone else telling that their day is happy or not.
Just be yourself, however small. In this line, the poet says, just be yourself. What does it mean? The poet is the poet is simply saying us to trust ourselves, to just be what we are, not to be someone else, not to outshine ourselves, but just trust ourselves. We should have a little confidence on ourselves, however small. Means however small the situation is, however small we are, however low we are feeling, just smile when the things get out of tune. We should have a positive attitude towards the things. Our attitude, our attitude mostly matters. Like if we are facing problems in our life, and we just focus on our problems and just say that my life is not going well, and we become sad. It's a not a way. We should have a positive attitude that yes, it's just a problem and we will come out of that. We can overcome that. A happy ending can be found. We can find a happy ending by ourselves. It's not just that someone else would come and do it for us. We would have to we will have to do hard work for making an ending happy. It's like our perspective, how we see to the situations. Then life becomes just one honeymoon. If we possess positive attitude towards the situation, and we know how to be happy, then life becomes super easy and we can enjoy lifelong happiness. So
Did
is
everyone understood
our
the poem?
Yes,
Is
class,
there?
any doubts?
No, Didi.
You can
No,
ask
You
ma'am.
can
any doubt
ask.
if you have.
If the poem is clear to you, then we will be asking you questions.
And then you have to answer them.
So better ask your doubts. No doubts. Can
They
we
are not
begin with the
having any
questions?
doubts. Yes, we should begin with the question and answers.
Just say their names and ask the questions.
So who is going to answer first? Jatin Solanki, please unmute your mic.
Yes, the
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question. Listen carefully. Is it necessary that every day has a happy ending?
no,
What? Hello? Is it necessary that every day has a happy ending?
no. The days are depend on you. What you work
Yes.
the day.
Yes, it is quite correct. So the answer of this question will be that no, it is not necessary that every day ends on a happy note and you will be happy and there is a happy ending. You can be happy, you can be sad, but it is you who can change that. It is you who can come out of that problem with smiling. Okay. Who
Who
will
is
answer
going
the
to
next
answer next?
question?
Lavina Sharma.
Yes,
So my question for you is, what did the poet ask us in the first stanza?
the poet is asking that is there a happy ending to every song and a story?
Very nice. You answered well. Yes, she is correct. The poet is asking us first that is there always a happy ending to every story? Next, Nikunj will answer.
Unmute yourself.
Nikunj.
Yes.
So the question for you is, by whom are the happy endings made? I repeat, by whom are the happy endings made?
Happy endings are made by you.
By
Happy
you.
ending.
Who by me? Anyone else who want to answer this question?
Yes, Priyanshi.
Priyanshi.
The happy endings are made by us.
Yes, you are correct. Happy endings are made by us. We are responsible. That how we see to the situations, how we make our perspective, and how we show positive attitude towards complications and obstacles we face in our life.
Okay, so who will answer the next question? Mehak, will you answer? Unmute yourself. Mehak.
Jhalak, you answer.
Jhalak, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the
Good
question for
morning,
you
Ji.
is what to do when things Good morning. What to do when things get out of tune?
Mom, can you repeat your question? I am not aware of
The question is what to do when things get out of tune?
Don't you know the answer?
It is very easy. Just think that what we told you in the last stanza.
Read the last stanza. Yes, Jhalak, read.
happy endings are made by I want to ask you about this. Can you understand that no answer this and now when we take other the things and the understand as well.
So, did you find the answer in this stanza? Anyone else who wants to try?
Can I
Yes, you
Yes.
can.
smile when things get out of tune?
Yes. So you are correct. Very good. And the poet says us that whenever you feel that the situation is not in your favor and you don't know what to do, just be positive and smile your way through it. Who will answer the next question now? Parinita, you want to answer? Unmute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. Okay.
Okay,
So
so the
the question
answer
for
is
you
to
is, are you saying something?
no, you continue, please.
Acha. Okay, so the question is very simple that who is the poet of this poem, and if you are aware, do you know any other poems of this poet?
Okay, so the poet of this poem is Sylvia Spencer, and more poems about this poet. I mean Sylvia Spencer are
It's okay if you don't know, I'll tell you. So more poem by Sylvia Spencer are A House Called Lonely, The Cat That Came, A Tea, A Cry for Help. Okay, so you have all understood the poem very well, I guess.
and I also know one more everyday poetry for pleasure.
Oh, that's nice. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. So you all have understood the poem?
Answer everyone. How would we get to know that you have understood or not?
Yes.
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 Okay, very good.
Okay.
So let's do a small activity for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
We are ready.
Okay. So we will give you a particular situation and which you may have gone through in your life or you might go through it in your future, and you have to answer with your experience and your thoughts that how you feel about that situation, how will you manage yourself in that situation, and how will you react to it. Okay.
Can you repeat?
Okay, so we will give you a situation, okay, and
Can
you
you
have
repeat,
to.
please?
Okay, I'm repeating. We will give you a situation, a particular situation which you may face in your life, in your future, or you might have faced it before. So you have to answer that what you feel about the situation and how will you react to it. how will you act in the situation, in that particular situation? Okay.
Understood,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
So the
Yes.
Yes.
first situation for you all is like we all have academic years, we all give exams at the end of the year. What if we fail? It's a common part of our lives. We do face failures and success, and failures is a more important part of our lives. So how would you react if you fail, and how would you deal with that particular situation? Anyone?
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
What is the question? Can you repeat?
Yes, I can repeat. We all face failures and success. Both are a simple part of our lives. We all face failures. We might face failures in our life. Like suppose you are studying in class ninth, and at the end of the year, in your final exams, you fail. What would you do in that particular situation, and how would you deal with it?
If I fail in ninth class,
In any of the class.
mm,
Acha, how would you feel?
I feel very bad at that time.
Yeah, of
But
course
I
you will feel. And
that
obviously you would feel less motivated, like you would feel low. So how would you encourage yourself? How would you motivate yourself? How would you deal with that?
Can I tell?
Yes, you can.
When I am failed in the exam, I will be very disappointed and promise to myself that in any other exam I'll not be failed, and I will do full practice.
You are correct, Priyanshi. Like if we fail, so what happened? We can try next time. Failures are difficult time, of course. I agree. Failures are difficult times on many levels, like not meeting our goals. We have worked so hard, we had studied so hard, still we failed. We get disappointed. But that is not the end of our story. We should get up, study more, work more hard, and try again. The best thing we can do during that time is to find inspiration. We should motivate ourselves that yes, we can do and push through. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Can I?
Ma'am,
yes,
can I answer?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So I would like to explain it from the beginning. If you are having a failure, and failure often leads to depression, and having depression at a very young age can cause a lot of problems to occur in your life. So to deal with failures, you should think that failures come in everyone's life, and from failures you can see your mistakes, what mistake you have made, and the mistake you have made, you can try again, and you will know what mistake you have made, and you will not make that mistake again.
You are absolutely correct. Very well you explained.
Parinita, that was very nice, actually. Very
Thank
good.
you.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, you can. Yes, who was speaking? Tell your name.
Ma'am, Harshit.
Yeah, continue. Harshad.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to
Hello.
answer, right?
Yes, ma'am, I am answering.
So start speaking.
Ma'am, I have started speaking, but ma'am, my voice is not audible.
Now it's audible.
No, it's audible. Start again.
Dear. Ma'am, now my voice is audible. Hello.
First of all, switch on your videos, everyone. Your Akansha ma'am is asking us for switching on our videos.
There will be a photograph. Switch on your videos.
Excuse me, can I answer now? I know answer.
Okay, you
Navya,
can.
please wait.
Yes.
Everyone sit smartly first of all. Navya, you are lying down.
If I fail in ninth class, then there would be two possibilities. First, promote to next class on next class. If a person fail on subject in the eighth, will that person be promoted to ninth class? Um, yes,
Can we all smile to cameras?
ma'am, what?
Smile to your cameras. All right, and can we give a round of applause to Kanishka and Simran for teaching you so well? Everyone, just clap please for them. They taught you very well, and we are done with the revision of chapter this poem. I'm not going to take it again. Show your clappings. You can unmute yourself.
Thank you
Give
so
them a
much.
round of
Thank you so
applause.
much.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you.
Simran and Kanishka, well done. Really well done. You have
Thank you so
explained the
much, ma'am.
poem thoroughly with very good examples and situations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We still have 4 minutes to go if you want to share anything with them. Or if you, any one of you want to give your feedback to your new fresh teachers.
Can I?
Yes,
Yes, you
yes.
can.
This class was great.
You made it great. You know, we
Yes.
both were discussing yesterday that what if the students doesn't answer our
They
questions?
are
What
not
if they don't
interactive, yes.
interactive?
But you are interacting so well and you utilize the 40 minutes very well, to be honest. And we are very happy. Like, I'm very happy that we got to teach you today.
Yes.
Thank you,
Like
ma'am.
we were thinking that how would we teach online? But you made it simple for us
And
because
special
you,
too at
yes.
home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please
Yes.
smile? I have to Akanshi, ma'am, please can you smile?
Your new teachers are Kanishka and Simran. Ask them to smile. I'm not a teacher today. I'm relaxing today.
Yes, ma'am.
6th day, did you see the confidence in them? That's we all talk every day.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
they can do, they can teach
Yes,
you
ma'am.
so well, right? So be confident
Yes,
to
ma'am.
give the answers. Many of you gave the answers, very nice. Don't be shy, right? If you become shy today, how will you teach when you come into class 12?
Ma'am, once we will also get a turn to teach.
And you will not get a turn to teach online. You have to teach in the class. You have to
Yes.
stand there and teach the students.
So Kanishka and Simran, how is your experience? You didn't get the chance to wear the sarees.
Yeah, we are a bit
Yeah, ma'am.
disappointed, but it was not expected that we will get to teach a class, and it felt nice. It was great.
But yeah, these kids made it very special for us.
Yeah, yeah.
We didn't expected this much.
So that's very nice. Really appreciate
Yes,
your
your
class 12
class is
teachers.
very nice. Your class is very nice.
Yeah.
You both were also very nice. You can say bye. It's less than a minute if you want to them.
Okay, bye class. You were great
Bye,
today. You
ma'am.
were very
All
interactive,
Bye,
the
and thank
ma'am.
you
best,
for that.
everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day,
Bye.
Okay, wish
Kansha
them
ma'am.
Happy Teachers
Bye,
Day.
ma'am. Happy Teacher's
Bye,
Day.
Happy
ma'am.
Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Teachers Day.
Teacher's Day, ma'am. Teacher's Day,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day,
Thank you
Kansha
so
ma'am.
much, Kanishka and Simran, and Happy Teachers Day to you for today.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy
Same to
Teachers
you,
Day to
ma'am. Thank
you.
you so much, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Enjoy your day.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.